Advisory in effect from midnight tonight to 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Sunday. Temperatures as low as 32 will result in frost formation. Areas affected include in Massachusetts, southern Worcester, Massachusetts, eastern Plymouth, Massachusetts, southern Bristol, Massachusetts, and southern Plymouth, Massachusetts counties. In Rhode Island, northwest Providence, Rhode Island County. When, from midnight tonight to 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Sunday. Impacts include frost could kill sensitive outdoor vegetation if left uncovered. Frost advisory remains in effect from midnight tonight to 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Sunday. Temperatures as low as 31 will result in frost formation. Areas affected include portions of northern Connecticut and central, eastern, southeastern, and western Massachusetts. When, from midnight tonight to 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Sunday. Impacts include frost could kill sensitive outdoor vegetation if left uncovered.